Sing with ano? Hallelujah. Sing with Tito Ryan, dali.
Ano gusto mong song, Ryan? Ano na...
Favorite mo?
Jana Gibbs? Tama yung pagkakarinig ko. Ano may
I
sinasuggest
know
mo?
I'm not the only one. Oo yun. I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one.
O, diba? Naghaka pero hindi mo rin sila sinag-bronze.
Bugoy, kay
Ano kasi
Bugoy.
ito sa kahit anong song?
Kay Bugoy, kay Bugoy.
There's no easy way. Ang ganda na song na yun.
Ano yun?
Kakanta si Baby. What's your name, Baby? What's your name?
Maria.
Your name? What's your name, sorry?
Analia D.
Analia. Sino naman yung Baby Analia? Sino mo ang kumuna sa iyo? Ikaw muna na si Baby Analia. What do you want to sing? Do you want to sing Golden? Golden talaga. Golden talaga, tas.
Duet.
Lagi mo naman, sige.
Duet na lang kay Melia.
Daddy Rock, Daddy Rock. Ako mag-get. After ni Kuya Ryan, ano bang gusto mong version, Ryan? Or may gusto kang taga na lang? Sino ba yung kasama mo, Ryan? Family mo ba? Friends? Hello sa family ni Ryan. Shout out ka ba? Ready ka na ba, Ryan? Ready ka na.
Nakabahan.
O palakpakan mo for Ryan Sing!
You will sing also?
Leah will sing. Akala ko fly nito damon. Ganda ng mic. Ganda ng mic nila. Leah, you do like this, Leah. Napagod. Ito muna.
Baka pala mukha ng anak ko ah. Ay, baka nito.
Leah, Leah.
At nagtamot pa nga ng puwet.
Okay naman ang bata mo na. Baby There's baby. Mag-isa ka naman kasi. Anami ba?
Analia.
Analia, baby Analia. Bigyan natin siya ng chair para makita siya. Baby Analia.
Maganda nga yun si
What
Lia
do you
ba?
want to sing, baby? What do you want to sing?
You are my sunshine.
You are my sunshine. Can you open the door, please? Okay.
Hindi, ang kapal ng
You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine.
Kaya ba?
Ito ba yung Kuya Ryan? Yung acoustic or... Ito.
Yung nursery rhyme.
Are you ready to sing? Maybe Analia, you ready to sing?
Yes.
Keep jumping up tonight, singing You Are My Sunshine, baby. Come on. Baby.
Nakatingin sa'yo. You never know me, how much I love you. Don't take my sunshine away.
Para.
Hindi ko akalain gaganyan yung anak mo. Pala yung try dito na muna yun para sumisigaw siya eh.
Oo.
Kaya lang alam niya yung gusto niya kantahin.
Nakamot na naman ako.
One more time.
Are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know how much I love.
Sing, tapos!
Tapos! Sunshine. Sunshine, my only sunshine.
Masayaw pa.
Make me happy when skies are gray. You never know
Ano yun?
how much I love.
Ano yun?
Hindi ko alam. Picturean mo nga. You never notice how much I love you. You take my sunshine away.
Thank you so much. Kakabay ka ba, sir? Yun, no? Hindi na.
But you want to sing.
You want to sing Fly Me to the Moon? You want to sing Si Perez, Mami, dati walang pilitan to, ha? Siya yung umakit mo yung yung Fly Me to the Moon, yung original version ng
Yes.
Wow!
Wow!
Everyone.
Moon! Ito, sir, are you ready to sing? Fly Me to the Moon? Alright, another song from Baby Analia. Para never ako.
Kaya sabihin mo lakas na yung boses niya. Louder ah.
Yung classic yan.
Nagkakamot pa.
Other world.
Dati.
nababother. Wala na. Nababother. Another world.
I'm not trying, huh? So, dance, dance, dance. Kanina bigyan. Thank you so much for coming, guys.
Tito was
Choppy. Saan na? Louder, louder.
Pati kayo sa bawo.
Thank you so much.
Sabi niya, thank you so much.
Thank you sa amin. Ano sa'yo? My heart is strong and it's
Forevermore. Naglalaro na lang. Another. I have
Saan itong sausawan doon?
in the world.